Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to bet in OneXBet in Nepal. This is really easy. Before we continue, I have something special for you. I invite you to create a professional OneXBet account, and to do so you have to click on register. Next on full. Here on full you enter all your information and then you scroll down until you see promo code. On promo code you just have to enter the promo code UTV. By using this promo code you get 300% bonus. So if you top up your account with $50, you get $150. All you have to do is to click on the menu icon at the bottom right, and next you are going to find out many options of live, pre-match, esports, slots. So you're just going to click at the top option or directly at the sports option. Then you're going to click on the accumulator of the day to find out which are the best accumulator to choose right now on the pre-game section. Like you can find out many options of betting like Real Sociedad versus Deportivo Alaves, Atletico Madrid versus Espanyol. You're going to find out many options of betting on which you can place a bet. So you can still go to the section of live to find out many events that are ongoing. So you can click on football, tennis, basketball, ice hockey, or whichever sport you want to bet on. So you can place on football, and you can just choose the country in which the match is going on. Like you can click on Spain, then you can choose the La Liga. There you can find out many live options on which you can bet directly on whichever outcome you wish to. So we are just going to head directly to the Germany Bundesliga, and here you are going to find out many outcomes. And here you are just going to find out many matches. So you can just click on the win of Union Berlin and click on add to bet slip. Now you are just going to scroll down this page and just to click on your bet slip after you have selected all your accumulators. And then you're just going to slide and you'll find out the option of betting. So you're just going to enter the amount you wish to bet. Like here you're just going to enter 5,000, and you can find out your potential winning, which is right now at 40,000. So you are just going to click on bet, and the bet will directly be placed and you have chance to win directly on your OneXBet, and it's as easy as that.